Back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to be trying out one of those cordless hair tools, the BaByliss Curling Tong 9000. Comes in this really cute box. It is so cute, so sleek. It looks so luxurious. I wanted to do like an unboxing as I go along. I haven't actually tried it out yet. So it comes like this. This is what the curling tong sits. Perfect for traveling. And it looks like that. So this is the curling tong. Like I said, it's the BaByliss Cordless Curling Tong 9000, and it just looks so sleek. And it is a ceramic barrel, so you are going to get those really nice smooth curls.
So the barrel is 25mm, and it also has these micro heating matrix heaters, which are formed to the shape of the barrel, which means you get consistent and even heat all the way around the hair.
So it has 3 heat settings, 160, 170 and 180 degrees. Obviously I like to curl my hair on the highest heat possible, just for more like to get more of like a long lasting curl. Obviously because it's cordless, you do have to charge it, and this charges for about 3 hours and you get like 40 minutes of use if you're using like the highest setting, the highest heat setting. I did turn it on and it has a really interesting sound when it turns on, which I think is pretty cool. It feels like some sort of galactic vibe going on. But so it looks like that. I would obviously do some close-ups for you. And so it's on the highest setting and immediately it is hot. Like it heats up so quickly. I should have straightened my hair a little bit more, but I will try and do my entire hair. Put my hair info in the description box, but I'm gonna section my hair off. I usually tend to start from the bottom and then work my way up. So yeah, my hair is pretty long, so I'm gonna do it by twisting the hair, because just so it makes it easier. But for me, I'm gonna try it this way because obviously the hair is quite long, so we'll see how the curl holds. Okay. Alright, it's so bad. That's a pretty good curl actually. So, and it's only at 180 degrees. Pretty good. It's a pretty good curl. It's only at 180 degrees. Okay, so I am gonna keep going. I am very impressed with how well this hair is curling. Honestly, the entire barrel is pretty hot, and like I said, it is pretty hot for just 180 degrees. I can just imagine myself like the next time I go out shooting and it's like really windy, I will have this in my bag, trust me. Like I know like my friends, whenever I shoot with my friends, she knows how annoyed I get when like my hair is all over the place. And just imagine your hair blowing in the wind. It's so frustrating and you just want to like touch it up. And how handy would it be to have something like this like to carry? Obviously it's not the smallest tool, so if you're someone who carries the entire house in their handbag, then obviously you can take this with you. But I know this is perfect. This will be perfect for traveling. Maybe if you go into areas that might not have like a socket or plugs to plug things in, somewhere that you're going for like a short amount of time. For like touch-ups is perfect. It is hot. By the way, don't forget to put use heat protectant. I already applied some heat protectant onto the hair, so didn't show that in the video, but always use heat protectant when it comes to high heat. The hair would last longer if you use heat protector. Somehow I feel like the curls are going to stay anyway, but I'm going to use a Schwarzkopf. Schwarzkopf got to be spray. Just to spray a little bit onto the curls to keep it locked in. So not just when you're out, you can also use it around the house, and maybe if you're in the bathroom or you wanted to check something in the living room or in the kitchen, you can literally just get up and leave. You don't have to be in the same spot. Obviously right now we're not allowed to go to the gym. For those of you who go to the gym that might want to freshen up after the gym, if you take a shower at the gym, you can obviously pop this in your bag and just do a quick little touch up, quick little nice style, maybe if you're going back to work or going out in the evening. Because you know, like hotel rooms or bathrooms don't actually have like sockets for you to plug your hair colors, hair straighteners and stuff like that. So this definitely comes in handy. You can walk around the room and take the mirror and stuff like that. It's funny how like this would be so ideal for me, but I never actually like thought of getting a cordless curling tong. It's so strange, but it's so quick, so easy. You don't get wrapped around with, you know, the cable and everything. It's so easy and effortless. Like, I am all for effortless curling. A few minutes has gone by. I'm gonna brush out the curls. Excited to see how this looks. I don't want it to be too perfect, so I am using a brush to brush it out. You can just run your hands through it if you would like. Ooh, I'm loving this so far. I'm like 95% blind, so I honestly can't see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna have to go and look at my big mirror over there to see how this is coming out, because I honestly can't see. This is so pretty. So pretty, so glam. You know I love me some glam curls. I'm gonna add some serum. I'm using the John Frieda Frizz Ease, just to make sure the ends are smooth. And also pat down any flyaways. There's something about highlighted hair that just looks amazing when you curl it. It's getting a little bit dark, so I thought I'd put on my little vanity light. So I will put the link to where you can get the cordless curling tongs. I think it retails for £180. If you have any questions, let me know and put it down in the comment section. I will try to answer it for you. But I am about to go take some photos now. Absolutely love this look. I have missed wearing this wig and it just came out perfectly. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.